So one of the recent YouTube comments requested more ladder trading videos. So in this clip, that's exactly what we're going to do. So we've picked this screen recording because it's quite obvious and there's some interesting things to note on the Betfair trading chart at the bottom of the screen there. So you can see trading volume has started to pick up. This is very late on, close to the start, and it's almost completely reversed price activity, which has had a knock-on effect on the other three runners within the market. So the interesting part in this recording is going to be the traded volumes highlighted on the screen there, the volume bars. You've got the dark green and the light green denoting the fresh money, the new money coming into the market, and the light green showing the older money. At the top there we've got the short-term chart as well to show money flowing directly into the market via the Geeks Toy software. So the thing that I'm actually interested in this ladder trading video here is the money that flows into the market as it flows into the market, because that's the most recent information, that's the most important information, it's the most relevant information. And you can see, well, we see previously on the chart there at the bottom a second ago that the whole price action on this favourite has completely changed, which will catch a lot of people off balance, and that's why I've taken the position going in the direction that I have. Now, given the type of market that it is, some people will be aware of this from the video pack, I'm expecting the market to move more than normal. So it's not really the type of market where I want to take a small move. I'm looking for a swing, is what I'm trying to say. So we're trying to swing down at the start here. So on screen, we've got about a minute or two left to go until the start of the race. And you can see I've opened some back positions and I've laid off straight away so I can offset my position in the profit and loss column there. So I'm minimising my downside and I'm maximising my upside as quick as I possibly can based on a short-term decision and a short-term view on what was actually happening in that small segment of time. So I don't actually know for certain that it's going to go a huge drift, although I expect it to drift in, or steam, sorry, to shorten in this race, and I'm hoping that it will go the distance with the confusion around the price action because it's completely reversed. However, I don't know for certain that will definitely happen, so I need to let this play out. But what I'm going to do is make sure that I don't take any more risk than I need to in the situation. And that's why you can see me hovering over the profit and loss column there, £17. If it goes all the way back up there, I may wait a little bit longer, but you know, I'll be looking to hedge out my position. Basically, I'm not going to let myself go into the red. Now I've bagged myself that small segment of profit within this market. And you can see the money is continually to pour on this favourite. So, you know, what we were saying right at the start there, the whole market's turned on its head a little bit. It's hit a little bit of a resistance point as well, which is a bit of a shame because of where it is in terms of price. And it's having a knock-on effect to the other runners within the market. Now the interesting one here is the third ladder. So there's also a little bit of money that's come for the third there. It's not huge volumes of money, but there is a little bit of a flurry at that price, and it's a little bit fickle given the price range and the type of market that it is. So as we get closer to post time, hopefully these volumes are going to pick up a little bit more and basically cement everything that we already thought, and it's actually going to break through that 4.0 and go all the way down to hopefully 5 to 2, 3.5. In this instance, I don't think it actually goes that far, but it was the right decision to make. So I would have been overexposing myself if I was trying to scalp out ticks too quickly, too soon and too early on there. And you can see just highlighted on the Betfair chart at the bottom of the screen there, the comparison between a lot of the recent money that's actually been matched and the money that hasn't been matched. And so it almost gives a false image of what's actually happened on this runner, because that drift is there, but that drift was way before the start where the majority of money was not actually being matched in the market. The prices were moving without a lot being matched, and so it's not quite as important. The important part is down close to the start. Typically if you're catching a swing, it will be a little bit further out, but in this instance it wasn't, and you can see it managed to catch that and well, almost hedge up just before the start there using the in-play SP function, which is very important that you use that as well, because if you're trading close to the start, you don't want to find yourself in play unnecessarily getting caught off balance. So that was having a swing down at the start pre-race.